XRP Ripple investors, you guys need to prepare right now. With that said, hit the like button and subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction for the XRP Ripple price. This is DC Trading. We have some crazy XRP Ripple news, and then from there, we're going to get into the technical analysis and price prediction for XRP Ripple. Starting off with some crazy Ripple news today. Yes, Ripple is joining BlackRock, JP Morgan, the London Stock Exchange, and plenty more. I'm talking about 1,000+ institutions from 79 countries as a member of the ISDA. The company is evolving into global financial markets. Obviously, they're working with many evil institutions like JP Morgan, BlackRock, but from an investor's point of view, this is bullish for XRP and Ripple. We will not be able to stop their evil agenda, but we can make some money move. That's all I have for XRP Ripple news today. Let's get into the technical analysis. As you guys know, this past week, it has been a big L for the XRP price. It has dropped 15% since the weekly candle opened. We have less than 24 hours until the weekly candle closes. Right now, it is sitting around 63 cents. It has recovered since we dropped back down to 61 cents yesterday. With that being said, we need to be very careful right now. Very, very careful, because it looks like if things get more bearish, the XRP price can dump to as low as 55 cents. Yes, it looks like sooner or later we're going to be retesting 60-cent support level. We did manage to go as low as 61 cents, but I do think there's going to be some more room for downside this upcoming week. We need to pay close attention to the DXY, because if the DXY breaks through key resistance of 102 to 103 and continues to the upside and rises, this is going to mean there's going to be blood in the crypto market, because there's a big correlation. As the DXY gets stronger, the crypto market gets weaker. So pay close attention to the DXY, because if it continues to rise, this means XRP is definitely going to come back down. Also, pay attention to the S&P 500, because it looks like there's a big correction that's going to happen very soon. If we see this upcoming week, well, then we should expect Bitcoin price to follow along with the S&P 500, meaning Bitcoin will drop back down to 28,500. If things get more bearish and we cannot hold it, we're dropping down to 27,000, which means XRP will follow. Yes, as you guys know, a couple days ago, the bears took control of XRP. They were entering so many short positions. The bulls were too scared because they believed they could not hold support of 65 to 67 cent support. As a result, because they took control, there was a lot of selling pressure, which caused the price to dump another 10% in 2 days. So we need to pay close attention to right now. Yes, the bulls have entered in a long position right here around 61 cents. Not a lot, guys, because it's very clear. It's clear as day. The Bitcoin bears are still in control. With that being said, what do I expect from this upcoming week? Well, remember, we have the CPI numbers that is going to be released, I believe, next week. So we're going to see if inflation actually does or is slowing down. We need to look out for the CPI numbers. The core inflation, I believe, we need to pay a close attention to that, because it was at 4.6%. If core inflation goes down to 4.14%, that means inflation is in fact slowing down, which would mean it would be bullish for the crypto market and the FOMC meeting that will be held sometime in September. With that being said, we have the CPI numbers that will come out for the month of July next week. So this should be an event that we need to pay attention to, along with the DXY and the S&P 500. Pay close attention to those three indicators. The S&P 500, does it continue to correct? Take a look at the DXY. Does it continue to rise? And then we need information from the CPI numbers. Is inflation in fact slowing down? If we get all those answered and we get very bullish, we should expect XRP price to rise back up to 72 to 73 cents, which is a key resistance. Because if we can break through that, that means there's a chance we can possibly see 80 cents. But in my opinion, I think there's a greater chance we do see a 60, maybe 55 cents than 80 cents. With that being said, that is my price prediction for this upcoming week. We have a higher chance of seeing 55 cents. With that said, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction. If you made it this far, guys, go check out my previous video on 3 reasons why the XRP price dumped. It's very simple. We don't have to overcomplicate everything, but right now it looks like XRP is gearing to, potentially come back down to 55 cents. That's why I tell you guys, dollar cost average, become long-term investors. It will fluctuate between 80 to 55 cents. I've been telling you guys that. But with that said, peace.